When I was a child, my parents used to sing a song with me. The song was about two builders who built the same house on very different foundations. The first man built a house on a solid rock foundation. Brick after brick, day after day, he poured his blood, sweat, and tears into this structure. Taking his time and building it right took a very long time. Soon the rains fell and the winds blew and the floods came, and after what seemed like forever, the skies finally cleared. The house took a beating, but remained intact. It survived the storm. The second man built his house on a sandy foundation. He made it look beautiful with all the fixings and the latest and greatest gadgets, and was finished quickly. Just as he finished, the skies grew dark, and the rains fell, the winds blew, and the floods came. The house held up for a little while, but it soon came crashing down. Everything was destroyed in only a few hours. In a world where everyone seems to be successful and way further ahead than we are, we can often feel like we are worthless. We feel like we should be farther ahead. We feel like we aren't where we should be, or it isn't fair. Whether we like it or not, we are much more validated by the likes or views, rather than fixating on what truly is important. I want to encourage you. Taking time to build slowly and wisely on a foundation that is not based on things that are here today and gone tomorrow is what we should be striving for. Sometimes the things we do won't seem to be valuable or useful until a few years down the road. There were countless times where I would lay in bed wondering if what I am doing would even produce any fruit. I didn't see any growth. It took years for that to happen. Putting my head down and making sure I got things done, even when it seemed to have no immediate effect, seemed to be useless. But in time, it was well worth the fight. When we take our eyes off our goal and get distracted with the so-called success of people around us, we can get discouraged quickly. We stop pushing, we stop creating, and we start feeling anxious and start complaining. Here's a little secret though. Everyone feels this way. Nobody is immune from this. Let's strive to be like that first builder. Focus on the task at hand. Keep fighting the fight and do honest, good work. Build something on a solid foundation. Something strong so that when the rains fall, the winds blow, and the floods come, we take a beating, but we can weather the storm because we are focused and strong and have a solid foundation to stand on. I want to leave you with one sentence. It's something I often think about. It's written by a man called Timothy, and this is what he said. Fight the good fight, finish the race, and keep the faith. Build on a solid foundation. It's worth it in the end.